Okay, now we look at what is the project, what is routine work quickly, and next is stakeholders. Have you heard about stakeholders? Is it new to you? Stakeholder. To run project, we call it stakeholders who are involved in the project. There are multiple types of people and roles in the project. For example, sponsors. To run this one-day training courses, actually we have a sponsor. Okay? And sponsors have a mission. We like to provide a one-day PM training for you, doctor students, and sponsor has a budget. And sponsor want to have this training by June or July, for example. And sometimes business partners would be involved. And in this case, client users are you. You are participants of the training courses. So I, as an instructor, treat you as a client or users. So your satisfaction after this training course is very important for me. And to run this one-day training courses inside IT innovation companies, we had a manager and leader and members. For example, to develop your text and the translation, some members were involved. And managers organize what the scope of the training courses and what the expectation of these training courses and so on. So stakeholders, you have a collective members from different interests in the project. Usually you may focus on tasks assigned to you to execute, but they have a very different viewpoints. These people may focus on daily job, daily tasks, but sponsors may have a more long-term view, so that this training courses would be beneficial for you after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So people have a different interest, different perspective. That's stakeholders. So description. You can look at sponsor, owner of the project usually, and sponsor may get the funding for you to run this project. Sometimes national government may have a very big project and they allocate budget to each prefectures or some departments of agencies. And the client users, project would have a client. In your research and development, who would be your client? Anyone? You may say no client so far. Research project, who would be client?
University.
University itself, Nagoya University.
Yes, I think.
Mm. Why you thought university itself could be client users?
Because mostly when we do research, we submit it to the university.
Mm.
And in the name of the university. So
In
it's
the name.
a client and it's sponsor at the same time.
Mm. So in that case, sponsors, client could be same. That's Nagoya University.
Maybe.
Maybe. Mm. That's one thing, one interpretation. Another comment, who are your client or your users regarding your research and development projects?
Myself.
Yourself?
Because I want to find something new, so that
Uh-huh.
new thing can be apply for me for my future career.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
because of my
What about intellectual property? You develop something new and you get IP or copyright or patent. So your patent IP property go to you or Nagoya University?
maybe it depends.
Depends.
Yeah, I think if I get invented or maybe 80%, so I think I can have a patent. But also maybe there's some co-patent.
Okay. So shared.
Yeah.
Okay. So there may be some variations. You may have a very clear sponsors and client. Sometimes they can be same person or same group of people. And project manager, we need one or a few assigned project manager. For small project team, you may have just one project manager with no team leaders. And you need members, partners, and PMO. PMO is a little bit extra one, project management office. Usually in big companies, hundreds of projects are running in parallel. In that case, PMO, special group, can give support to each single project so that they can apply same standards to many, many projects. That's PMO. So mini exercise work number 2. Please look at your own research or activities or your measures, and please draw or figure out who are involved in your project or activities as stakeholders. Let's assume you are in the center, project manager, or this can be professor. So you can write down who could be sponsor, who could be partners, who could be team leaders, who could be members, so on and so on. If you are not involved in any project, please treat this training event as a project. As I said, you may have sponsors of these training courses, business partners, members, leaders, and clients yourself.